After a long wait, here is the most awaited event of the year, Expo 2020. Expo 2020 का इंतजार हुआ खत्म और एक स्पार्कलिंग इवेंट के साथ एक्सपो हो गया शुरू. Come for the greatest global gathering in history with more than 190 countries and cultures under one roof. So let's visit the Expo 2020 together and let's make our world more clean, green, and more livable. So our coming generations will have a happy, healthy, and blessed life. It's our time. Let's see.
Four parts of the show, so it will start in this part of the room. So light and sound will guide you through the room. So if you just walk around this area for now, please.
Latvia is young and full of youthful qualities. Movement, energy, ambition, and the desire to experiment. We don't like standing still. Standing still is basically the same as going backwards. We have the power and the drive. And the more someone tells us we can't do it, the more motivation it gives us to keep going. It's breathing the rhythm of nature and letting it shape our character. It's cherishing everything it gives us, our strength and the materials we use. Our birch plywood now lives in the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, just 40 kilometers from where you're standing now. To always aim higher is coded in our nature. We produce drones, which can lift a person and spot people from miles away in the harshest conditions, be it day or night. If life is a game, then we want to play fair. Our adaptable gaming keypads are disability friendly and suitable for left-hand use, giving equal opportunities to all. We deal with reality as it comes, but gladly embrace virtual reality to enhance it and save lives through VR trauma training for military and civilian
अगर आपको ये ब्लॉग इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा और हमेशा की तरह मेरे और चैनल के सपोर्ट और मोटिवेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा ताकि आप चैनल से जुड़े रहें और आगे आने वाले ढेरों एक्सपो 2020 के वीडियोस अपलोड होते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. अगर आपका कोई भी सवाल या फीडबैक हो या एक लाइन अप्रिशिएशन का लिखना चाहें तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स ज़रूर यूज़ करें। मुझे आपके कमेंट्स का इंतज़ार रहेगा। सो टिल नेक्स्ट।